Okay guys, today we're doing the air filter replacement. This is on a 2019 Honda Odyssey. This is similar for most Hondas. So we got our new air filter. Check out the link in the description for a link on Amazon. These are cheap, guys. These are like, I want to say under 15 bucks. But the dealer wanted, I was at the dealer recently, they wanted like 60 something dollars to replace this. It's crazy. It's super easy. So pop your hood, prop your hood up. Come on in here. If you see, there's two tabs here. 1, 2. Okay, so there's 3 tabs. There's one here. Just push those down. And there's one in the back here, right about there. Reach your hand in there. Clip feels just like that one. That allows this to come out. So what you do is when you get your hand in here and then pull this out. Because if you see here, there's these tabs. Okay, after you've loosened this up, if you see here, there's these little notches there. There's notches here, so this has to pull out in order to get this up. So we're just gonna take out our air filter here, inspect it. It looks, I mean, it's a little dirty. If you see here, I changed it at 11,000 miles. I'm at 24,000 miles, so you know, 10 to 12,000 miles. So I'm gonna write. I like writing on my filter when I changed it last, so that way, either a shop if they're looking at it. So this is my new one. I'll write right on here my miles. Put it back in. Okay, this is the new filter. I just got it. Just place it down in there. So you can see here's the clip on the back side. There's 2 on the front. So what you're gonna do first is we're gonna push this down. And make sure these notches, you see here, we want to make sure those notches get in the grooves. Just kind of angle it down. Yep, just like that. I'm just going to check the other side. Okay, we got those tabs in there, and then we just go back here, snap all 3 back on. Good to go. You just saved yourself almost 50 bucks by doing it yourself. Pretty easy, straightforward. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the channel. Be sure to subscribe.